Hey everybody, so I wanted to show you guys how I'm starting these carrot seeds. This is the variety I'm going to grow in one of the grow boxes. Um, I have them soaking in distilled water and also with a smidge of Maxicrop. I just put like a tiny little pinch. That's what it looks like down inside. I don't know if you can really see, it does not want to focus. But basically, the amount that I use is like maybe about that much. Yeah, so not very much. Just like a few flakes. And it made it nice and dark. I'll soak them for an hour. And then I'm going to put them folded up in a damp paper towel inside of this glass airtight container and go from there. Alright, thanks for checking out the update.